Welcome to RP Hub. In this video, we'll discuss about how to enable Tooltip, which is a new feature available in Power BI and desktop. If you don't know about Tooltip, feel free to watch my complete video. This is video number 19, where I'm going to cover each and everything in detail. If you have not yet watched my other videos from this playlist, feel free to cover those because after watching the complete playlist, you will get in certificates from the RPA Hub. So once you have gone through all those videos and completed it, feel free to share the screenshots of your watched content with me. I will share the certificates with you, which will have the completion of Power BI course. How we can enable tooltip and how this will be benefited to us. Whenever we are working with Power BI desktop, normally we don't have much interactive or much new or recent features which is available in cloud. Here, by using tooltip, even we can get important or upcoming functionalities which is added through tooltip. So here for enabling this, you need to have the administration permissions, navigate to the file, options, and then click on options. It will open a new window where you can see preview features. And from here, you have to just select modern visual tooltips. Click on OK and click OK. Now restart your desktop version. As of now, I have not added anything. Don't save. Restart your Power BI desktop. Here you will see add drill through fields are added. Earlier it was not there. Drill through tools are not available, and that's the reason here you can just connect with the Excel, import some Excel file, and we'll see how we can use this. Now we have the data available. As of now, I'm going to add some of the fields. You can see the records, and here I will enable drill to add tooltip options, or maybe bar chart. As of now, I've added everything into this one. Let me try and drag and drop to other axis. See this. Report started generating. Whenever you will paste, try and see which all value you wanted to include it here. See, this record is generated. Now I want to add this column number 6. Now here we can see all those records are generated. So that's how we can add it. And in drop down to till we can add tooltip. And now you can see within tooltip, you can generate even interactive graph and cross report as disabled as of now. Here, let's consider I wanted to add other filter into this. Maybe I will include some of the items from here. Let's add it to this. And from here in this tooltip, you can even apply summarized view or some other view used as a category. So this is the tooltip options which you can enable it into the modern feature of the desktop where you can drill through options are available or you have drill through options are available. That's all from this video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you think so this will be useful, don't forget to share within your circle. And as I mentioned, if you wanted to help others, feel free to share this video within your connections so that it might help the other to add the skill set into their bucket. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in further part of the playlist.